Welcome back to Park Superior Sales. Today we are checking out this brand new Cadillac XT6 MK Coach flower car. Something unique, something different, something you may have never seen before. Beautiful, nice black colorway we have here. Silver pinstripe on this vehicle. Really nice, something unique to add to your XT6 fleet at your funeral home to complete your funeral fleet. Really nice vehicle to add. So as you can see here, you do have your 18-inch painted OEM Cadillac wheels. Matches elegantly with that silver pinstripe. You do get a vinyl tuxedo top on this vehicle. Really nice, really complements the black paint, especially on this vehicle. Moving back a bit, you do have a stainless steel flower tray in the rear here, which can be angled diagonal, or it can be laid down like this if you have some shorter flowers arrangements. You do have 4 gaskets and drains in the rear here to drain. You know how flowers can be really messy when you have an arrangement in the back here, so we tried to make it as easy as possible to clean it up, as you can see here. But all doors work on this vehicle, even in the rear here. This is built off the XT6 chassis, so it is front wheel drive. So as you can see here, you do have a stainless steel inner door card here, so it's really easy to clean out. And then right down here, you do have plenty of space to store any arrangement that you might have, even flowers that might, if you're overflowing in here, you can put them right down here if you so wish, or you could also put some pamphlets, some flyers, flags, whatever you so wish for your services. It could be stored right underneath here. But all the doors work as proper, and you do have a rear chin spoiler in the back here, which really sets it off and really makes this flower car pop. But as you can see, that stainless steel tray moves around the back here, and it's really nice, and it complements this vehicle super well. The trunk on this vehicle is not available, but you do have a rear backup camera, and you do have some backup sensors integrated into the rear bumper of this vehicle, which is really nice. But as we move around it, we'll see another look into the stainless steel flower tray bed. Really, really nice. You're going to be able to set up your arrangements and go to and from your services or leave that procession with this vehicle, and it's going to look beautiful with those flowers draped over it. Really, really nice, really great vehicle to add to your fleet. But we'll open up the door 2 on the driver's side. You got a spare tire and your tool and jacket underneath here. Really easy to get at in this underneath well here, and you're going to be able to switch that out very easily if you had a flat. But we'll move on to the driver compartment. Black leather wrapped steering wheel, black leather seats, power seats. You do get memory driver seat up front there. You do got your volume control and your cruise adaptation on that steering wheel with your paddle shifters, push button start, keyless entry, remote start as well. Touchscreen infotainment system up front, super responsive. You do got your blind spot detection, your lane assist. You do got right in that touchscreen, engage the vehicle in reverse. You're going to get that backup camera popping up on the rear, so you can move around this vehicle with confidence, and anyone at your funeral home can do so also. You do got your wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, FM, AM, Bluetooth, Sirius satellite radio, all the features and options you could want in that system right up front. So if you have any worries, it's got it fully loaded in this vehicle. And we can always wire this vehicle with strobes if you so wish. But if you'd like to get some more information about this brand new Cadillac XT6 MK Coach flower car, please give us a call at 1-800-229-5008, or you can check out 80+ studio photos of this vehicle, a walk around video, and this demo that you're viewing right now at www.parksuperior.com. Thank you so much, and we look forward to hearing from you.